Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about the redo statement, and today we will learn about comments in Ruby. Comments are actually the code that won't get executed in runtime. For example, you want to add some method description, you want to add some description to your variable, or you have written some code but that was quite complex that you need to put some extra description for that method or the definition. In this all scenario, in this all case, you are adding some extra description or you are putting some custom logic and you do not need to use it for right now. In this all scenario, we are using comments. So comments are very helpful while developing with Ruby. So in Ruby, mainly we are having two types of comments. First is single line comment and second, that is multi-line comments. In Ruby, single line comments start with a special symbol hash. So if you wanted to add one comment, then you need to start your sentence with hash and followed by the characters or the string or whatever that you need to write as a description. But this string that start with a special character hash won't get executed in runtime. Here in a screen you can see in example that on the very first line I have created one comment, and after that line I have printed one string. So in my runtime, the line that I have written on a very first line that won't get executed, it will only print the string that I have written in putS statement. Now we will see the practical examples of comments. So let's start with first type of comment, that is single line comment. Now we will see the practical examples of comments. So let's start with first type of comment, that is single line comment. Here I am adding one comment that start with a special keyword hash and my comment, hello, this is my first single line comment. And here below this comment I am adding one print statement, put as learn one, or let me say welcome to learn one. Now I am saving this example. Now we will execute our code. So I need to write Ruby and my file name, and here it prints the executable statement only, welcome to learn one. This execution has skipped our first comment that we have written over here, that hello, this is my first single line comment, because it is having hash at the first character and that will treat it as a single line comment. So this is how we can work with single line comments. Multi-line comments in Ruby. When we want to give a longer description, we want to add some long text as a comment in our Ruby, in this case we are using multi-line comments. So this multi-line comment start with equal to and begin keyword. So equal to begin will start our comment, and for ending our multi-line comment we are using equal to and a special keyword end. So this is how we can work with multi-line comments. Here in screen you can see I have created one multi-line comment on the start of the example, and after that comment ends I have printed one string. So when our program actually executes, it will ignore the my comment that was in the beginning part, and it will only print the string that I have written in my putS statement. Now we will see the practicals of multi-line comments. So how to work with multi-line comments? For that, our comments need to start with special keyword equal to begin. So here in our example, let me start with an example equal to begin and my comment. This is my first multi-line comment, and my comment end with equal to end. So this all the lines are treated as a comment in Ruby. And now here at the bottom part I will print a string that is put as my first multi-line comment. Let's save this program and let's run this program. For that I need to write Ruby and my file name multi-line comment, and here you can see that will only print the executable statement that is put as. The execution has ignored this whole block of code that starts from here equal to begin and completed at here equal to end. So this is how we can easily work with multi-line comments in Ruby. In next lecture, we will learn about operators in Ruby.